Hello friends, welcome to English class at Kids Quest. Today we are going to learn prepositions. Do you know what are prepositions? Prepositions tell the position or location of things. In this video, you will learn prepositions with examples. But before that, let me introduce you with my pets. Sam, my dog, and Leona, my kitty cat. Can you see them? They are sitting near a lake. Sam and Leona are very good friends. They love to play hide and seek with each other. Do you like to play with them? Let's start our game. Sam is the one who will hide and Leona is the one who will look for Sam at first. Where is Sam? Look there. Sam is in his house. Now, it's Leona's turn to hide. Can you see somewhere, Leona? Where is Leona? Look there. Leona is in front of her house. Now, it's Sam's turn to hide. Do you know where is Sam? I can see Sam here. Look at there. Sam is behind his house. Now guess whose turn is this? Yes, it's Leona's turn to hide. Where is Leona? Look there. Leona is there sitting on a table. Now, Sam's turn to hide. Where is Sam? Do you have any guess? Look at there. Sam is beside his house. Again, it's Luna's turn now. Do you know where is Luna? Look at there. Luna is under a tree. Again, it's Sam's turn to hide. Let's find out where is Sam. Look at there. Sam is jumping above a rock. Now, let's look for Luna. Where is Leona? Look there. Leona is between the houses. Did you enjoy the game? Dear friends, have you noticed these words? With, near, in front of, behind, on, beside, under, above, between. What are these words? These words tell the position or location of things and are called prepositions. So these words are called prepositions. I hope you got the concept of prepositions. Now you have to solve this exercise. You have to choose the correct preposition to complete the sentences. 1. The house is dash the trees. 2. The car is dash the chair. 3. The bird is dash the tree. 4th, a boy is standing dash a car. 5th, an aeroplane is flying dash the house. Here is the answer key to match your answers with it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.